This time we shall be commending the pupils categorized as with honors. These pupils will receive a Tertiary Medal for having received a final general average of 91.02% up to 91.99%, with no grade below 85% in all grading period, including deportment. Starting with our rank 15, Gio Giancarlo A. Zaiden. Elizabeth Joyce M. Tusi. She will receive also a special award for being most industrious. Renee Isabel M. Yonko. She received also a special award for being most behaved. Matthew Justine B. Sagnit. He will receive also a special award for being most responsible. Samantha B. Albaba. She will receive also a special award for being